LinkedIn banner. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your browser and search for 𝗕𝘂𝗀𝗀𝘀𝗀. Once you go to the homepage, type LinkedIn banner in the search bar. A variety of templates will appear. Choose one that fits with you. For example, I choose this template. Click on the template you choose, and when a pop-up appears, click the Customize this template option. Now start editing whatever you want to add to the profile, such as your name, job title, or other relevant information. Once you're done with your design, go to the top right corner and click the Share button. From the drop-down menu, click the Download section and download it to your device. Now open your browser once again and search for LinkedIn.com in the search bar. Once you go to the home page, locate the Me section at the top of the page and click it. From the drop-down menu that appears, click the View Profile section to proceed. After that, click the camera icon on your banner and choose the Upload Photo option. Select your created banner and click the Apply button to set your LinkedIn banner.